Hello, welcome back. This is video number 3 of the UAV series of making the 3D model and printing it. So, last video we had left off on making the left and right wing. In today's video, we will be making the main body and the flaps of the left and right wing. So, we have our wings here. In the last video, we had projected the left side of the sketch to the right side of the sketch, and we will be using the right side of the projection to make the main body. So let's go to our create a sketch on the X and Y direction and basically make uh, where we want, where we're gonna put the path and the guide roads to do it. So we in sketch one we had a little design. So let's project this point and this line. Here we go. To be a little close enough. There we go. That's our first guardrail. This would be our second. Now, and before I started the video, I was messing around a bit with the design, right? Or not the design, but just like messing around. And if I have it like this looks aesthetically for me, it looks very cool. It looks futuristic, just a bit. But we won't be doing this. Maybe in a video, in the future video, I might do it, and I will 3D print it out, and I will show it to you guys how it comes out. So yeah, I can be expecting that in the future. So let's get started here. Okay. Uh, we want this to be here. Here we go. Um, okay, let's actually project the point. Let's project this point just to be sure it snaps on. Here we go. Now that's finished. We finish the sketch. Then we proceed to sweep the projected sketch from the right side to the left side by using the path and the guide rails. Now this would be our path and this would be our guide rails. As you can see, there's something that's not letting us do this. So we can do this, or we can also go. If that happens, what I usually do is just change the guide road to this and the path to this, and it usually there we go. It usually fixes itself. Um, Make it in here. Okay, nothing really happens like with the model, but it's like a bug. Maybe I don't know. You can leave a comment if it is. If it's not, if you have more knowledge on using Fusion Fusion 360. So yeah, okay. Now we are gonna make this as a new body, not join, because if we press join, it will join the left and right wing, and we don't want that currently. Yeah. So we will press OK, and we get our body, left wing, right wing, and we're gonna name this main body. I seem to have made several groups. We're gonna name this main body, and we're gonna change this from body 3 to just body. There we go. Ooh, there we go. We moved there, and we got our left wing, right wing, and main body. There we go. Main, left, and right. There we go. Okay. Now we will make the flaps. We don't need our main body. Okay, so what we'll do is create a sketch. We will project this point and this point. There we go. We'll press OK. Now it projects those 2 points onto the sketch. And we will begin making the flaps. Okay. So from what I understand, the flaps don't need to be that big. So we can have this. Let's actually project this point as well. The line of that. There we go. We can do. We'll do 45 millimeters. There we go. We will not be using all of it completely. We will do 5 millimeters. Then we'll do this. And I forgot to project this line. We'll project that. We just drop this from here. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now we'll make the flaps. The flaps won't be that big. So we'll make this 20 millimeters. There we go. We have our flaps. Now we are missing our ailerons in order to roll left or right. We can do this. Connect this to this. This to this. This point to this point. This point to this point. There we go. Now we have our flaps and our ailerons. Now we create a sketch. Then we use the split body tool. We will split this. We will have the left wing currently. We'll select this and we'll select this. We're bringing back the left wing. And there we go. As you can see, there's an error that happens, like in the first video. We'll do the exact same thing. We will body split and we'll do 1 by 1. There we go. Bring back the sketch. Split body. Body split. And there we go. We have our flaps and our ailerons to mess around with, basically. Okay. Now we can hide the sketch because we would be opening another sketch as well. And same thing, X and Y. We will just basically copy what we did on this one. We can use projection as well. Here we go. We'll just project it to the side. Kidding, we're not doing that. Okay. Exact same thing. We'll do the exact same thing what we did to the left, to the right side. Project this point and project this point. It's okay. I'm gonna use this as a referencing point. we're not going to be using that. So it will be 45, just like the right to the left. We got to project this line as well. We'll project this. 45 millimeters. There we go. Same thing as we did to the last one. We'll do to this. It was 5 millimeters. There we go. It was see what it was here. This is 20.811. There we go. Now we make the aileron as well. Okay. To make this similar, that is 7.727. Here we go. 7.727. 7. So mistakes like these, we can always use the back function. 7.727. There we go. And we have our aileron with our flap on the right and left wing. Finish sketch. And body splits. There we go. We do one at a time. Bring back the sketch. There we go. So we got the wing. We got the flap. We got flap. The aileron. We got the wing. Aileron. And we got the wing. Now we'll just put these in the folder. It's the right wing. Flap. The aileron. With the aileron and the wing. There we go. Bam, bam. Left wing, right wing. Now we'll hit the sketches. There we go. We got our flaps and our ailerons. All right. I think this is it for today's video. This is it for today's video. Next video, we will be working on the main body. I might clean up the flaps and ailerons before next video starts. Yeah, I'll do some bit of cleaning up because it looks well, but it's a bit crooked. I can fix that. So yeah, so if you like this video, leave a like, dislike. If you dislike it, maybe leave a reason why. Leave in the comments. But don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike, maybe yes, no, maybe so. And that's it for today's video. Have a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, or a good night, whichever time you're watching this video. And I'll see you in the next. Bye.